Okay, I'm going to show you how to create an article or a blog post in WordPress when you have author permissions. First off, what you do is you're going to go to your website address, type in whatever it is .com/admin or /wp-login, and then you're going to come over here to where it says username. You're going to get a dashboard. This dashboard, this login screen just happens to be for my company, and it's green. And over here, I'm going to put the username in. And then once I put the username in, I'm going to type in the password here. As I type in the password, it will give me an entrance into the website, into the dashboard for WordPress. And there's many parts to the dashboard. Over here, we have all the different things that you will see. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you just want to go to Post, because you want to create a post. You can go here and click Add New, which is right over here, or you can go up top and do Add New Post. It's very simple. So if you're up at the dashboard, you can do Add New Post, or go to Post, Add New. So once we do that, now we are into the dashboard, and now we're going to get into what's called, it's like a word processing screen, the editor. This is the visual editor that will allow you to work inside of your WordPress. Now over here, we would add a title to our blog. That would be there. So we're going to put our title. And over here, this is where we're going to put our content. This is where we might want to put a paragraph of something that came up. I'm just going to type a bunch of gibberish. Okay, and of course, you always want to put a nice little picture in there. So what I like to do is I like to put the picture front and center. I go to Add Media. That's this button right over here, Add Media. And I'm going to give it a click, just like that. And I'm going to go to my media file and see what kind of pictures I already have existing. And I'll just use this one for now. Let me see. I'll use this one here. This is fine. I'll click this. As I click this, on the right side of the screen, you'll see you can do an alt text. This is very good for search engines if you put an alt text in, because that will help Google, Bing, Yahoo. That helps all the search engines find you. Of course, the alignment, like I said, I like to put it in the center. And I like it to be a nice big picture. It's going to link right to the media file. I like it to be a nice big full-size picture. This isn't going to be that big in this circumstance, but that's okay. And then I'm going to click Insert into Post. So I give that a click, and the picture is going to come up just like this. And this is what my post is kind of going to look like. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cheat a little bit. I am going to go to the Lorem website, Lorem Ipsum, and I am going to go get myself some copy, just so it looks nicer for what we're doing. Here we go. And I'm going to go back to my post. I'm going to put it right here. There we go. So that would be like, let's say that's my post. Now, on the right side of the screen, before I publish this, you can do several things with it. Over here, this says categories. This will be blogging. You might have one that says blog. Make sure that's always checked. Now, you're not going to be able to add categories because that's only the permission of the site administrator, of the webmaster. But this, for an author, there will be a whole bunch of categories listed on the right side. Just pick the one that applies to you, and in your case, it would be the one that says blog. So you click blogging, and it'll show up on that top right tab. And then when you're done, you can set a featured image. Sometimes, depending on what WordPress template you have, if you set a featured image, it'll show up twice inside here. That's just something that you kind of have to experiment with. Set the featured image, click it. If it shows up 2 times, then you know you can only, just set it up once. I'll explain that later. When you're done, you click the preview button over here, and it gives you an opportunity to preview what it's going to look like. There's your blog. And that's what it will look like, your blog post live. And then you're going to go back to where it says Edit Post, right? And save the draft. And you can also publish it immediately by clicking this publish button here, which means it'll go live quickly. Or you can hit the edit button, and you can actually schedule a date and time that you would like this to go live. Okay? That's it for this quick little tutorial on how to add a blog to your website when you're using WordPress with author permissions. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed it.